Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new always on themes on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app direct Play Store link available on description. Okay, simply tap and open. Choose language. Tap on next. First, set permissions. Tap on get started. Guys, before enable, simply go to setting and disable your system always on display. Now go back and enable this AOD. Tap on OK and look at these three options: AOD, custom, collection. First, let me show you preset AODs, beautiful AODs. Look at these. Simply tap on done and AOD on your Galaxy device. Guys, let me show you more beautiful AOD themes. Look at these console themes available on this app. Simply select, tap on done and look at this. Let me show you another. Okay, now you also set custom AODs with these wallpapers. Unfortunately, guys, you can't set wallpaper from gallery. Select anyone and you also edit your AOD's background clock style. Set any clock style. You also enable or disable music control, calendar, battery and clock. Simply tap on apply and custom AOD also enable on your Galaxy device. You custom AODs, these all AODs save on collection. So guys, you also set many analog clocks from this app. Look at this animated analog clock seconds. So guys, you also set these new AOD themes on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.